I think it really helps if you believe in love that way, and that's the way that I see love. I think that love is life and love is passion, and inherently I believe that. So for me, I think with that belief, you have that conviction. And then of course, Gatu, somebody who I've known for a very long time, and I was really excited when I got the script to work with him, and I think it took us a few days, but then after that, I think we just really connected and everyone was on the same page and understood each other really well. Yeah, I think definitely, I think we all are diehard romantics. I'm definitely one. And this story, for me, was always one of my favorite stories. Of course, I'm sure you've realized it's inspired from Great Expectations. And it's always been one of my favorite stories. I think it's been one of the most romantic stories that there are in literature.
Yeah, I starved. That's what I did for a long time. No, I did. I worked hard on my physique. I got a trainer to help me for a while. And I think it was important for this role to do it. So yeah, it required some commitment for a while. I did eat very little food and worked out twice a day for a bit. And yeah, it doesn't...
You know, I think it's very unfortunate that some sections carry news like that. When we started out, Rekha ji was doing the film. She's a wonderful, gracious, generous, and a very loving lady. During the course of making the film, we just saw things a little differently. And right in the very beginning, we thought it was best that we didn't do this film together and we could work on something else in the future. But when reports like this come out, I think it's not fair to that lovely lady because she's quite reserved and she's a very private person, so she will not stand up and say something to safeguard her own interest. But I think we should be more cautious, and I think it's downright cruel to say something like that about her. For whatever reasons, we parted ways on that film. And having said that, you know, I had Tabu, who very graciously came on board, and this is a kind of part that would have taken someone months of preparation. You know, someone would have to, get into the skin of this character because it is so layered. And I really want to thank Tabu for this because she came on in a matter of 3 days to rescue us from the situation that we were in, And yeah, I mean, that's what I can say. More than that, I don't know what to say.
In this film, I had 2 days to get into this film and this character. So I really don't know what the process was or if there was any process. I just went into it with just some really confused head about happens as we go in the film. And like Gatu always says, film mein to bante bante banti hai. So